Hey guys, I'm Cameron Tipton with the Digital Solutions Group at Tractor and Equipment Company, and we understand that your time is valuable. So in the next 90 seconds, let's talk about how we can digitally transform your job sites and strategically improve your overall workflow. With remote support, users are able to connect instantaneously to machines in real time to send files, assist operators, and locate machines directly from the office. Use Dashboard to visualize and verify your job site progress at each level, from pre-construction to in progress to post-construction confirmation. Utilize Dashboard's as-built feature to directly connect the progress of your job site with your machines. In the Digital Solutions Group, not only do we offer the software, but we also offer the hardware. We are fully stocked with 3D mapping RTK drones ready to survey your next job site, and retrofit kits to equip non-eye machines with 3D visualization. The next step in construction is Digital Solutions. Scan the QR code on the top right of the video box or search in your browser smartconstruction.mykomatsu.komatsu to access the smart construction marketplace and see how Digital Solutions can benefit your operation.